Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo proudly present our very own Gaganya sa Pinag-iyan.
Olivia, natulog lang ang bebe. Sayang bayad mo, bebe.
Olivia, natulog.
Olivia, tulog na tulog si Olivia. Lugi si Olivia.
Uy, nakabalik po. Nakabalik ang mga anak. Nakabalik na po.
Crocodile kay Rafa.
Lugi si Olivia.
Lugi si Olivia tulog. Cobra.
Parang Miss Universe nila
mga dancer. Marami na silang ano ngayon, ulo. Olive! Yay! Yay! Bebe! Ikaw na, Bebe. Gising na ikaw.
Nag-dance si Olivia. Wow!
Miguel! Miguel! Tama! Birthday party!
Wow, what a wonderful performance by Tribo Camindanaon. Performing at syempre, ating mga cute na mga animal ambassador. Once again, give it up for Tribo Camindanaon performing. Now,
Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands.
Okay, when I say hep hep, you say?
Hooray!
Okay, hep hep.
Hooray!
One more time, hep hep.
Hooray!
And also welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. My name is Kenji, and I will be your host for this morning show. So, a quick background information about Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo is a private rescue center for endangered and wild animals. And we have been preserving these animals since 2005. And we are in coordination with the DNR, DOT, and BAI. Now, as a way of saying, thank you for being with us in this crocodilific morning. We brought you the show where you will meet our animal ambassador and to get your free selfies after the show. But before that, I have some friendly reminders for you to follow muna. Okay, so unang-una po sa mga nakatayo, please, upo lang po tayo guys. And guys, do not attempt to catch our animals while the show isn't going. This is for safety and for the safety of our animals as well. Second, for those who are eating, I'm so sorry but food is not allowed during the show. So kind of finish it up or finish it later after the show. And lastly, for those who want to take photos or videos of our animals, now guys, bawal po yung camera. Joke lang. Pwede mo yung camera as long naka-off lang yung flash. Okay? Because our animals here are light sensitive. So kind of disable yung flash so we can have a smooth sailing show. So why do we call them our animal ambassador? Because they represent their own kind and the rest of the animal kingdom. That is to give us a message. That is to protect, to preserve and to conserve, and do not destroy their habitat. So please, help us in our mission in conserving them. And guys, we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior at mukha. Ready na sila sa likod, guys? Now the question is, are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors?
Yes! Olivia, you're ready!
Energy kanina. Give me more energy one more time.
Yay!
Are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors? Energy na folks. Maintain that energy now. Let's meet our first raptor.
Clap your hands, clap
Giving
your
you
hands.
this welcoming flight where we call on Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle. Wow! Guys. There you go. So that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle with the scientific name of Haletus leucogaster. Leuco meaning white and gaster meaning belly. Therefore, the white-bellied sea eagle. The white-bellied sea eagle are commonly found in near coastal areas of India, Australia, and also here in the Philippines. The white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines, with a wingspan that can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan kalapad ang kanilang mga pakpak, lalo na pag umabot na sila Lakas sa kanyang adult size. Now, here in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors. But here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors, namely the Brahmini kite, the white-bellied eagle, the Philippine serpent eagle, and syempre, ang ating grass owl. That's all for lakas, guys. Palakpakan naman natin sa thank you so much.
Clap your hands, clap your hands.
Si Kuya Richie. Now, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Let's proceed to our next animal ambassador. Ito guys, galing pa to ng South Cotabato. And they call them the alarm clocks of the rainforest. The Kalaw, the Philippine Great Hornbill, na sila Mr. Bill. Now come here the boy. There you go. Siyempre, hindi nakakahuli ang kanyang younger brother. That's si JJ. And once again, this is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill, with a scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Mindan meaning Mindanao, and ens meaning belonging to. Therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see, guys, their bills or ang kanilang mga tuka, it comprises 30% of its body. And they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo sila sa malapitan. Now girls, legit na legit yan, hindi sila nagpa-extension. And this morning, magpapakitang gila sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna. Okay? At the count of 3, you need to shout, fly. So what's the word?
Fly!
Okay, so let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and...
Fly!
One more time. 1, 2, 3, and...
Fly!
Ayan, mukhang ready na mga bisita mga kuya. No, Kuya G-Mark, Kuya Michael. Ready na ba ating mga kalaw? No, folks. Prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. And a count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and...
Fly!
Wow, what a perfect catch. Mr. Bill and JJ. Now guys, if you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they are actually in mating ritual. So nililigaw yung lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas madaming insect na na-catch yung lalaking kalaw, ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ate girl na kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they found a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana all talaga, no?
Sana all!
Forever.
Sana all, may forever.
Forever. Alam na natin, nandito lang ang...
Kala.
Ang ano?
Kalaw.
Sa mga trainers pala, folks. Then, joke lang. So, one more time. Prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. And a count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and...
Fly!
Wow, what a perfect catch. Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill, are also known as the alarm clocks of the rainforest because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan naman natin ang nakakalaw, guys. At syempre,
Clap your hands! Clap your hands!
Kuya Michael. Now, fun fact about hornbills, unlike most birds who walk from place to place, hornbills actually hop from place to place or tumatalon sila as their secondary means of locomotion. Now, for our next animal ambassador, makulay po ito. At galing pa itong Brazil, particularly the Amazon forest. Now, may we call on Barack. There you go. So, Mr. Rock, with Kuya Sari. Ayan, sa mga kiddos, lapitan natin si Kuya Sari. In short, ipipid natin si Barack. And just open your hands na. Barack won't bite naman. And just open your hands na. Lapitan natin si Kuya Sari.
Natakot si Kuya Rapa. Natakot ikaw, Kuya Rapa.
Limit lang po yan. Sa mga hindi mabigyan ng chance, later after the show, you will have some time with our animal ambassador. Okay, ayan, si ate doon. Let's open your hands lang. And there you go.
Olivia!
There you go.
Olivia! Kuya Rapa, natakot ikaw, Kuya Rapa? Natakot ikaw?
There you go, Megan. And guys, limit na po yan ha. And, ayan, si Kuya daw lang. Sino Kuya? Ayaw mo na? At ayan, once again, that is Barack, our blue and gold macaw with a scientific name of Ararauna, meaning genius. So why do we call them geniuses? Because they have a mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. So magkasintahin ko lang ni Barack, ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. And just like most parents guys, si Barack dito ay may tinatawag na zygojaxial fit. So what is zygojaxial fit nga ba? Ipapakita yan ni Barack using a Filipino footwear called Kadang-kadang na Barack. Suot and Borja Boy. So that is zygojaxial fit in action. To the front, to the back, allowing him to grab items no margin to point. Left, right, left, right, left, right, and baba, good boy. At dahil dyan, may pa-high five siya kay Kuya Sarel. No, Barack, high five Kuya Sarel, high five. And, at syempre si Barack ay napaka-sweet din. Ito, napakalambing ni Barack. Ito yung gusto ni Kuya Sarel. Now, Barack, kiss na to Kuya Sarel sa cheek. Ayun, kiss na to Kuya Sarel. Parang nabitin si Kuya Sarel. Isa pa ba? Ayan, isa pa daw Kuya Sarel. No, Barack, kiss to Kuya Sarel pero hindi na sa cheek. Saan yung gusto nyo guys? Lips daw, sabi nyo. Barack, kiss to Kuya Sarel sa lips daw. Kasi lang. Hindi lang na yan. Si Barack ay isang eco warrior din. Who here segregates their clash? Sino dito ang nagsisegregate? Nakala mga basura, nasa kamay, nagsisegregate.
Segregate, rapa!
We have si Ma'am doon. Hala yung iba, di kayo nagsisegregate. Paano na yan? Don't you worry folks. Barack here will show us how to segregate our waste now. Kuya Sarel, anong meron dyan? We have a non-biodegradable bin or hindi nabubulok. At syempre, we also have a non-biodegradable bin or nabubulok. At syempre, i-check ni Barack kung gumagana at mukha. Kung isa naman. And there, mukhang gumagana naman yung dalawa ng Kuya Sarel. Barack, are you ready? At a count of 3, lapag ang basura. 1, 2, 3, and go! So anong unang kinukuha ni Barack? A piece of plastic. Saan nga ba ilalagay ang plastic, Barack? Siyempre, sa non-biodegradable bin. Another piece of trash for this time. Leaf or dahon. Saan nga ba ilalagay ang dahon, Barack? Siyempre sa biodegradable bin. Meron pa ba ito? Dahon naman. Saan nga ba ilalagay ang dahon? To the biodegradable bin. One last piece of trash toy. This time, plastic. Saan nga ba ilalagay ang plastic? Siyempre, sa non-biodegradable bin. Malakpakan naman natin si Barack, guys.
Clap.
Kung kaya ni Barack magsaligit na basura, siyempre, kaya din natin folks, no? Sana'y tularan natin si Barack, guys, okay? At dahil galing pa ng Brazil si Barack, magpapaalam na muna siya. So mga mom and sir, mga ate, mga kuya, way bye-bye to Barack po. Way bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye to everybody. Bye-bye.
Kaya rapa, bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Say bye-bye.
Hala.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Bye na Barack. Bye-bye na sila sa'yo. Oh, bye-bye na. Bye-bye na lang. One star. Bye-bye na talaga. Bye-bye na talaga. Pag ginagawa yan ni Barack Books, ibig sabihin, gusto po niya magstay sa show. But we need to highlight our other animal ambassador naman. Okay. Once again, that's all for Barack Books. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Kuya. And si Kuya Simon. Thank you so much to the both of you. Now, blue and gold macaws are the 4th largest parrot in the entire world. First is the blue hyacinth macaw. Now, for our next animal ambassador, kung makulay yung mga previous animal ambassador natin, ito po, puting-puti po. Just like a cloud. Now may we call it Apollo. And there you go. So that is Apollo, our umbrella-crested cockatoo with a scientific name of Kakatuang Apa, meaning older brother in Indonesian. Now guys, did you know that Apollo here is a multi-talented star? Ito. Who wants to see Apollo dance? Raise your hands. Ayan, sino dito gusto makita si Apollo sa mga taas ng kamay? Ayan ang po, napakadaming big bands. How about po yung Kuya Poy? Gusto mo rin sumayaw? Sino po yung Kuya Poy? Ito. How about Kuya Poy? Who wants to see Kuya Poy dance? Raise your hands! Mas marami ka pang fans kay Apollo. Sa kaya nila mas ang sayo ah. Okay Poy, ready na ba? Ayan, no, Kuya June. Hit it.
Yeah!
There you go. That is the moonwalk made by the famous Michael Jackson at Rashid Boy. Pakita mo sa kanila kung paano mag-moonwalk. At Rashid Boy, para lang makamalaglag ka sa table ang Apollo. Now, hindi natin manatawag na multi-talented star si Apollo kung isa lang ang kanyang talent. He also acts kung umaakt ito, parang pang-probinsyano yung actingan. Sino yung bida yun? Si Carlo Dalisa yan. Pag Carlo Dalisa yung actingan. Now, Apollo, what do we do if we see a predator? May agres taas. Wala ka, Apollo, nagkakaroon mo. Patay. Good boy. Palakpakan na din si Apollo. So, that is their natural reaction. They are doing that, you know what? To fool their predator. So, nagpapatay-patayan sila. So, isa pa ba? Isa pa daw Apollo. No, Apollo, may agila ulit. Halaga. Halaga, Apollo. Palakpakan na rin si Apollo.
Hey! Clap.
Artist tayo si Apollo. Siyempre, interviewin natin si Apollo. No, Apollo, Kuya Poy, okay lang ba interview? Okay lang daw na Apollo. Sumugot ka ng maayos na. Madami tayong bisita ngayon. No, Apollo. First question. Apollo, look at Kuya Poy. Look at Kuya Poy. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Kuya Poy mo, Apollo?
Yeah!
Pogi. Kumano no? Pogi no? Ayan. Siyempre, di rin magpapahuli yung host no? Apollo, how about me? Look at me. Am I handsome? Am I good looking? Pogi ba ako, Poy? Kuya Poy, anong tinuturo ko kay Apollo, Kuya Poy? Apollo, paano kayo bisita ko? Magkakahiya tayo lang. Nawan pa naman kayo. Apollo, pogi ba ako? Siyempre, aagit tayo na yan kasi personal trainer si Kuya Poy. So, let's take it sa mga guest lang para walang peso. Ito si nanay. Oh, grabe yung tawa ni nanay sa akin. Oh. Na Apollo, look at nanay. Nagkuha ng video sa'yo na. Apollo, look at nanay. Is she beautiful? Is she good looking? Maganda ba si nanay? Magandang dilag Wala nag-vlog si nanay. O siyempre, maganda naman talaga si nanay. So, let's take it sa mga boys man para walang bias. Ay, ito si Sir naka-block. Ito. Apollo. Look at Sir Apollo na naka-block. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Sir Apollo?
Wow!
Paano? O siyempre, pogi naman talaga magaganda yung mga bisita natin ngayon. Pero bakit ganun Apollo? Ang alayin na iba? Ano nangyari dyan? No? Kuya Poy, kayo talaga no? Basta kalokohan talaga no? One more time pa para sure na talaga no? Now, Apollo, look at me one last time. Am I good looking? Am I handsome? Pogi ba ako kayo? Please. Palakpakan na lang natin si Apollo kasi napaka-bias mo talaga Apollo. Siyempre palakpakan din natin si Apollo. Kuya Poy, ang tinaturo mo kay Apollo. Ang talagang dalawa. Ang dami dyan. Inimit na lang natin ang older brother ni Apollo. May we call on Jumbo.
Jumbo!
There you go. So that is Jumbo, our other umbrella Crested Cactus. Now guys, did you know that the reason of our global warming is due to air pollution coming from our transportation? And this morning, Jumbo will show us how to lessen our carbon footprints using a ding 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 ding. Labasan niyo kayo, Jimar. Ding 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 ding. Bicycle. No. Ito guys, tingnan niyo to. Our Jumbo, sakay, and Sika Jimboy. Happy birthday! Kakain pa. Sika Jimboy and para lang good boy. And to the kids out there, or maybe sa ating mga adults who still don't know how to ride a bicycle. Don't you worry folks, because Jumbo will also show us how to ride a scooter. Now Jumbo, sakay ulit. And Sika ulit. And pop up doon and para lang good boy. As you can see guys, even our animals love to help our mother nature. We can also do our part by doing the reuse, recycle, and repurpose for some alternative ways for our transportation. That's all for Jumbo guys. Palakpakan natin sila. At syempre, ang kanyang
Clap, 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 clap,
na si Kuya Jimar. Now, here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of kakatus. First is the sulfur crested kakadu. Second is the umbrella crested kakadu, which is si Apollo, si Jumbo. Third is the black pug kakadu. And fourth is the Mulugan kakadu. Now, for our next animal ambassador, 3 and 1 to sila. But before that, I have some questions muna. Okay, so ito, first question. What kind of animal is believed to have 9 lives?
Cat.
Cat. Pusa. Dun sa Bisaya, iring. Now, second question. Makinig na mabuti. If Mickey is mouse, Donald is duck, what kind of animal is Winnie? Sino nagsabi ng po? Ikaw nagsabi, Kuya Poy? So huwag kayong maniwala kay Kuya Poy. Kasi anong klaseng hayop si Winnie? Bear. Hindi po si Winnie, ha? Walang po na hayop, guys. Bear po si Winnie.
Bear,
Now,
bear,
for my last
bear.
question ito. Anong klaseng hayop ang kamukha na katabi nyo ngayon?
Monkey, monkey.
Sabi nga, monkey daw. Pero hindi ako nasabi nun, ah. But you are correct, guys. For our next animal ambassador, they have a face like a cat, a body like a bear, and a tail like a monkey. Now may I direct you to your left side. Ating nga tatawagin si Teddy, our Palawan bear cat.
Palawan bear cat.
Now once again, that is Teddy, our Palawan bear cat with a scientific name of Arctictis binturo, or locally known as the binturo. Now guys, did you know that their tail acts as a fifth limb, meaning it is prehensile in nature? The meaning of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga objects na kasinggaling lang ng ating mga kamay. Yes po, ganyan na ganyan lang ang mga tail. Same sa mga monkey. At ipapakita ni Teddy ngayong umaga po. So Teddy, show us your prehensile tail. Down, 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 and there you go. So that is your prehensile tail in action. They are doing the dual to grab suckers hanging from a branch. Palakpakan naman natin si Teddy. At ngayon, simulan po naman yung lalapitin sa kahoy. Kaya po yung go. Joke lang. Now, may I direct you to your right side na naman. Atin yung tatawagan, the older brother of Teddy, Nasi Uno. Now, fun fact about Palawan bear cats, endemic po sila dito sa Pilipinas. Meaning, dito lang sila makikita sa Pilipinas, particularly sa Palawan. And the reason that there is bear in their names because they can stand up using their two hind legs. At ayan na po, pinakita na ni Uno. Palakpakan naman natin silang dalawa. So, thank you so much. At syempre, si Teddy now. Talking about Palawan bear cats, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Yes po, may popcorn yung pupo nila. And then, omnivore sila. Ibig sabihin, kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas at karne. Ngayong umaga na pinapakain mo, Kuya Michael. Ano yan, guys? Saging or banana, which is fruit. So, omnivore sila. So, ito, meron na naman akong tanong. So, first question. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng herbs or grasses? Herbivore, about meat or carne?
Carnivore.
Carnivore, but herbs, fruits, at karne? Omnivore daw for my last question. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas? Sino nagsabi fruit salad? Sino nakakalam kaya sa kamay? Bibigyan doon ng jacket ng Kuya Michael. May jacket ng Kuya Michael? Wala daw. So sino nakakalam sa kamay? So ito, tuturuan ko na lang kayo. Guys, the correct answer is frugivore.
Frugivore.
Sige nga, kung nakikinig kayo, ano yun?
Frugivore.
Frugivore. So, frugi meaning fruits, and vor, or vorus, meaning eater. So, frugivore. So, hindi pajibar ha. Fruit salad na. Frugivore. At baka nakauwi na si Teddy and si Uno nakauwi na din. Now, before we proceed to our last animal ambassador, I would like to thank you guys for choosing Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo as your one of your tourist destination here in Davao City. Palakpakan naman natin. Wala ba tayo mga mga dyan? Thank you so much po sa pagbisita sa amin dito. Now, for our last animal ambassador, mawawala yung antok nyo dito guys. Sino inaantok dyan? Ito yung initilian at ikinakikiligan ng maraming kababaihan. the fan favorite, ating nakakawagin na si Piolo. Imagine guys, Piolo. Once again, Piolo. Piolo. Yes, Daniel. Pagpamilya. Money. Kuya Manny, problema ba? Wait lang po guys. Guys, paulit-ulitin ko sabihin sa inyo na we are still working with wild animals now, and as much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. Sabi ng ating mga kuya na wala daw si Piolo sa likod at nakatakas daw. Nandito lang daw siya sa Grand Arena. Maybe check under seats guys, baka nandyan lang sila. And guys, kung ano yung makita nyo, please, relax lang po ha. Eh, tulungan na kami hanapin si Piolo po. Mga papagayutan kami sa mga boss namin yan.
Apa?
Baksay. Ayun, labas natin yan. There you go, sila is Piolo, our gentle giant. Now don't you worry guys, you can touch it, you can hold it, all the time naman siya. So, sanay na sila po si Piolo sa inyo. And guys, sa mga bisita natin na hindi pa naka-experience sa mga ahas, lapitan lang po natin ating trainer si Kuya Richie. And bukwanta din si Kuya Richie dyan sa inyo. At hawakan na sila.
Piolo pala yung bebe, hindi ka nagpa-picture kay Piolo.
After the show, we will have some time lahat para magpa-picture with our animal ambassador. At syempre, meron tayong special guest ngayon. And, guys, konting paalala pala no, nakalimutan ko na. Guys, konting paalala lang na pwede nyo hawakan yung snake natin, huwag lang si Kuya Richie, no? Ay, kung gusto yung hawakan si Kuya Richie, bahala kayo dyan.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Okay, Daddy.
Huwag kayong matakot. Huwag kayong makalala. Already bring up po yung mga song. Sakay na sila na po siya sa inyo.
Olip.
And Kuya Richie, marami gusto nyo maawag. Alright. Guys, do not pinch the snake ha, kasi nasasaktan din yan sila po. May feelings din yung mga ahas natin. There you go. Mahaba talaga ito guys. Don't worry again, later after the show, tayong lahat may chance para magpa-picture with our okay? Meron tayong paparas mamaya. Meron tayong tayo. At syempre, meron din tayong snake.
Touch na, Olip. Touch na. Touch na, Rapa. Touch. Wow! Olip, touch.
There you go. Thank you so much, Kuya Richie, for finding Piolo. Now, before we meet Piolo, syempre, we need one adult guest. Pero hindi ako yung mamimili, ay si Kuya Richie po. So, sumusunod ako sa kanya. Now, Kuya Richie, sinong... Ito ang mga responsibility. Ay, kanina mga guys, palakpakan natin si Ma'am. Ayan. Volunteer na si Ma'am. Dito tayo sa gitna, Ma'am. Now, before we meet Piolo, syempre, i-meet muna natin yung magandang bisita natin. Ayan, no? Syempre, Ma'am, introduce yourself. What is your name and where are you from?
Olip.
Ma'am Maya from Zamboanga, palakpakan naman natin si Ma'am na Ma'am. Are you ready to meet our gentle giant na si Piolo? Ayan, lapitan po natin si Kuya Rich dito. Dito ba po, Ma'am? Ayan. Tabi ka kay Kuya Richie. Hawakan natin si
Pero pa,
Piolo.
don't
And
go inside.
there you go. So once again, that is Piolo, our Burmese python with the scientific name of Python bivitatus. They are the third largest species of snakes in the world because they can get up to 20 feet long and 90 kilograms. Si Piolo nito is nasa mga 5 to 7 kilograms lang. So, magaan-gaan ko si Piolo. Now, yan, interview natin sa mga ma'am. Sino kasama mo ngayon sa Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo?
Ako family ko.
Family, taas ka may family! Family! Ayan ang family! Picture natin si ma'am. Video natin pang Instagram ni ma'am, pang Facebook, pang My Day. Ayan. And don't you worry guys, non-venomous naman yung ahas natin. So, ibig sabihin, hindi nakamamatay yung ugat nila. But they are constrictor, meaning, sasakalin na lang yung pagkain bago lalamunin ng buwan. Mukhang pinakain mo yung kanina Kuya Richie. Mukhang wala daw. Wala ka ma'am. Joke lang. But guys, picture natin si ma'am. Ayan, ang Kuya Richie. Ayan Kuya Richie, anong ba natin? Wala guys, upon checking the time, sumubra na pala kami sa aming show at si Kuya Richard, yung mga trainers natin, hindi pa nakapag-real na. So, we should be good na ba? Ayan. Ayan na, wish naka-picture na ba? Ayan. Kunin natin yung snake, ma'am. Now, ma'am, thank you so much for participating po na guys. Palakpakan naman natin si
Clap your hands, clap your hands. Yay!
Here in Davao Crocodile Park Zoo, we have a mission. That is to protect, to preserve, and to conserve, and to educate these people about these lovely animals. The moment that you enter this facility, you are not just here to take some photos or videos for animals. You are already helping us in our mission. That's why, our round of applause for ourselves, guys. At inimit na natin mga trainers. We have Kuya Richie with a snake, Kuya Jimar with Goldie the cockatoo, at syempre Kuya Sarah with the baby crocodile, Kuya Paul with the alak, at syempre ambassador na si Big Boy Brocky with ating magandang ate Shai. Once again, I am Kenji and we are Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. Mabuhay po niyaw. Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan. And guys, as I promised sa mga bisita natin na gusto magpa-picture with our animal ambassador, lapitan lang po natin ating mga trainers dito sa gitna po. Huwag kayo matakot, huwag kayo matakot. Dito po tayo sa gitna. Ayan, please roll and line lang po. Sa mga gusto magpa-picture with the snake, nandito si Kuya Richie. Kung takot naman kayo sa ahas, nandyan po si Kuya Gino.